To fix stick drift on Nintendo Switch 2nd generation, just start by opening System Settings, and over here you will have to scroll down to the Controllers and Accessories. Now scroll down again, and first of all I will actually start with Calibrate Control Sticks. Now we have to tilt the control stick that you want to calibrate, so let's say that I want to do this with the left one. So you have to just move it to one of the side and hold. And right now, as you can see, there's short information. So when the control stick isn't being touched, the cursor above will appear as a cross. In my case, everything's fine. When you start moving it, it should actually appear as a dot. And now to calibrate, if something is wrong, you have to click X, but also, you have to just select calibrate again. And now we have to tilt the control stick toward the arrow icon, like so. Release. Now downwards. And just follow on-screen instructions. There we go. Now we have to just turn it to the left side. We have to make like 2 or 3 full circles, click OK, and now it is finished. If you still have this, drift issue, then I will definitely try to use warranty, because I think there's no any other way to fix it by yourself. If the Calibrate software is not working properly, then you actually cannot do this by yourself.